Welcome to Defining Your Research Topic, a research paper workshop series brought to you by Algonquin College Library. In this recording, we're going to talk a little bit about coming up with and refining your search terms to make your search more successful. First of all, read your assignment. Be sure you understand the requirements. If you're unsure of anything, ask for clarification. If possible, choose something that interests you, or choose an aspect of an assigned topic that interests you. You'll be spending a lot of time learning about the subject, so it should be something that you want to know more about. Start early. We always underestimate the amount of time it's going to take to get a search going. Take time to read some of the information available on the topic and try out a few different searches in a few different places. Look for background information. It's really important to understand more about your topic. You can do this by consulting an encyclopedia, such as Wikipedia, or reading an article on the topic to get a sense of the major points. Just a note, the encyclopedias are not quite the right level of research source for a college student. So don't source directly from an encyclopedia in your final paper. Make sure you have a topic with possibilities. Explore the library's resources, such as the OneSearch tool or Google, to see the number of results you get. If the topic is too big and you have too many possible resources, you may need to alter your topic a little bit to make it a little bit more specific. If your search is too small and you have too much of a specific topic, you may need to expand or change your search. Turn your topic into a research question or thesis. For example, if you're interested in electric cars, your research question could be, are electric cars good for the environment? You can also generate ideas by brainstorming. You can ask yourself, why, who, what, where, and when? For example, if you're interested in environmental issues, your why could be, I'm interested in environmental issues. Who? Well, everyone is affected by environmental issues, but again, making this more specific might make your paper much more interesting. So who in Ottawa is affected by environmental issues? The what potential questions could be, what environmental issues affect me or others, or what trends and issues are in this area? Again, focusing on a specific what can make your search more interesting. Where? This is an important global topic, but you can focus it locally to make it more interesting and meaningful. When? This could be covered historically, or it could be covered currently. The paper might be more interesting if you cover what is happening right now in Ottawa, for example. You can also generate ideas by concept mapping. If you want to learn more about this, you can Google it on the internet. Basically, what you would do is write your topic at the start of the page and draw a circle around it. As you go down the page, you want to break each term of your original topic into main components and circle each component. As you break it down into smaller parts, you get further down the page away from the main topic, and the components will become more specific. Add linking lines between each component and add words besides each linking line that explains the relationships between the two connecting circles. When you read the bubbles in descending order, including the linking words, you will usually get sentences relating to the entire topic, and these could be the focus for your research. Think about your search terms. Different search terms, different results. So if we go back to our idea of, are electric cars good for the environment? We're going to have a keyword for electric cars, environment, and good or bad terms. So we could have for electric cars that we're going to look for hybrid, eco-friendly, or plug-in. We can look at for environmental impact, air pollution, carbon emissions, green or clean energy. And for the impact part, it could be positive, negative effects, benefits, pros or cons. Try all these words in different combinations, and you will see you'll find different results. You can also think about combining your terms differently. The most common way to combine terms on the internet and in search databases, like the library's OneSearch, is using Boolean Logic. The most common Boolean operators for combining search terms are and, or, and not. We use and almost every day when we search Google. By leaving a blank space, we are using a Boolean and. Different word combinations will reveal different results and different amounts of results. For example, if my search is electric cars and hybrid cars, the results will include individual resources about both hybrid and electric cars in the same resource. If my search terms are electric cars or hybrid cars, I will have a very large search because I will have results that talk about electric cars or hybrid cars. If I search for electric cars, not hybrid cars, my search would be very small because I will be completely eliminating any results about hybrid cars. Research is an ongoing process. It's cyclical and goes round and round. So it may take a few cycles of searching and reworking a topic for settling on a best topic. Don't get discouraged, but give yourself plenty of time for this process. Thanks and good luck with your research.